This case study details Central Power Systems' new distribution center implemented in November of 2007. This system is located in Columbus, Ohio. Central Power Systems, a privately held company, was founded in 1985. The company distributes small engines, service parts, and outdoor power equipment through a network of 6,000 registered service dealers in Ohio, Michigan, Indiana, West Virginia, Kentucky, Western Pennsylvania, Maryland, Florida, and the Central Power was an existing customer of Bastion Material Handling prior to being awarded their new system. Some of our project team had experience installing a small system for Central Power Systems in 1999. Central Power had outgrown their current location and needed more room for growth. Bastion and ASAP were selected to provide the new conveyor system, the interface to the existing WMS, automated order routing or AOR, pick-to-light, pallet rack, shelving, pack stations, and carton flow rack. BMH also provided relocation services for existing equipment for their Alabama and Columbus, Ohio facilities. The DC is laid out into zones for the purpose of picking in the Exacta system. Products were slotted into the proper zone based on size and pick volume. BMH provided the slotting analysis for this project. The next few slides will take you on an overview of the system. Orders are associated or started in the process by scanning a paper pick ticket, scanning the barcode on the tote, and placing the pick ticket into the tote. The pick ticket is printed by the existing host system, CODIS, and has the picking information on the front and the invoice on the reverse. Totes are scanned and routed to Zone 20 via V-belt transfers to the batch pick area if they have a product that needs to be picked in Zone 20. Exacta prints the batch pick list in a location sequence to efficiently serpentine the picker through the shelving. Items are slotted in the zone to try to keep the picker's walking path as short as possible when picking a batch. Totes are removed from the conveyor and placed onto the special designed order picking carts that hold 6 totes. These are the order picker carts described in the previous slide. Totes routed into Zone 20 are placed on the carts and scanned. When Zone 20 parts are picked, the totes are placed back onto the conveyor system. Totes travel to the bulk pick area. Again, if there is a product needed to be picked in the bulk pick area, the V-belt transfer transfers it into this zone. The product is placed into a tote. When finished, the totes are pushed back onto the main line. At any time, if zones are full, totes can go around the recirculation loop, get picked in other zones, and come back for routing into the zone that now has room for the tote. The early out transfer allows totes that have been picked complete in zones 20 and or 30 to be quickly routed to the pack zones without having to transverse the entire. Fast-moving products that will fit into carton flow rack are placed in the carton flow rack pick-to-light area. If an order needs picked in this area, it is scanned and transferred via V-belt transfer into this area. Cordless handheld scanners are used in this area to scan the tote. When the tote is scanned, the pick-to-light displays automatically light up. The operator picks the order and pushes the tote complete button on the PTL display. When the order is completed, the operator pushes the tote back onto the main line to be routed to the next zone. The PTL area has been slotted with Central Power's fastest moving products that will fit into carton flow rack. Often, this area can become starved for work on a slow day since the PTL zones process orders so much faster than the list areas. CPS can allocate workers to different areas during these slow pick times. For higher volume days, CPS can staff the PTL area with 3 to 5 operators. The PTL devices feature plus and minus buttons to indicate short picks to the host system.